Hello, my name is Anib Hassan and my student ID is 4303658. I am a student of data science and today I am going to present my MDM assignment, which is the topic is AI orchestration and AI enhanced network security. So today I am going to represent that one. So let's start. AI in MDM, basically we can where we store manage the data from the different places. Like if we have an organization, so we have to store the data from financial data, employee data, and all of the data. So today we are going to discuss how AI helps us in collecting our data at the real time and how it protects us from the security threats and all of the threats as well. So there are, first of all, let's discuss with the AI orchestration. In AI orchestration, the overall focus is on automating the data, collecting the data, how we can automate it, how we can collect it at a real time. So AI orchestration helps us in collecting the data at a real time. In AI orchestration, it helps us to automate the data, like we can build machine learning models that will collect the data and transform it instead of the traditional ways in which first the data is stored somewhere, then we collect it, and then we perform queries. So in MDM, it makes it easy by using the AI models that our data is directly come to our platform, and we just perform the actions and bring out the useful information from that one. So it helps us in automate the data, and it helps us in improve the data quality as well, because whenever we collect the data, the most important thing is the privacy. We can't say privacy, we can say the quality of the data. Privacy is also important, but it's come in the AI network security. So data quality, when we collect the data, the thing that matters is data quality. So AI models built in such a way that they helps us in collect the data and bring the data from our like platform from where we are collecting the data. It may be the our salary department, our financial department, and somewhere else from where it is where we put our model. It helps us to collect the data in a best quality. And AI orchestration also helps in automate our workflow, that how data comes and how it will be transformed as well. So if we will discuss about AI network security, then in AI network security, it helps us to perform the actions at a real time. Like if someone attack on our system, instead of our traditional ways in which if someone attack, then we will first detect is it happens or not. After that, we will perform the action against them until that our data is lost. But nowadays, with the help of AI, we build the models that help us to defend us. Like if someone attack on our system, the AI models will detect it and will answer to that you can say the attack at the real time instead of wasting any time. So it helps a lot in protection, and it helps a lot in giving the privacy as well. Like um, we can say if someone want to stolen our data, then it helps us to protect it as well. So nowadays, AI orchestration and AI enhanced network security are playing a very important role in protecting our data and in storing our data. So we can say it can totally change the method of collecting the data, storing the data, manipulate the data, for getting the insights from the data, and it make it very easy. But we can say it little bit tough for doing all this stuff, but it make it really easy as compared to the traditional ways that we can perform our actions on our data with very slowly methods. Like our data isn't lost and we can perform it in a quick way as compared to the traditional ways. When we collect the data from one platform, then we collect it together, then we perform queries. So now we can, when someone gives the data, it directly comes to our uh, platform where we are going to perform some actions on it. So there are some issues as well with this one. When we are talking about the AI network security, if we don't have an attack and our model tells us that true positive, false positive is happens, like some attack is happen, and it all of the staff will start looking at it as well, because it gives us a alert as well. So these are some issues with it. on which the nowadays the working is going at. But beside that one, it gives us a very very useful things as well, like protect our data, store our data, and all other stuff. Uh, so we can say the traditional way of the traditional way of looking at the data is totally changed in nowadays with the help of AI. Such a models are come that helps a lot in protecting our data, and in, we can say, in protecting, in securing, in storing each and everything. So today the overall discussion is all about AI orchestration and AI enhanced network security. So in the paper I try my best that as much I can written in the limited words of 2500. I wrote it and I explain in a simple words, as much simple as I can, and the concept that is in mind about the AI orchestration and AI enhanced network security. So we can say that it's a really really good way for looking in the future for our data. Like we can perform a lot of big questions answer. We can perform a lot of queries at the real time instead of wastage of our time. It can secure our, it can save our time, or you can employ um, a number of employees, because if AI models work, then we don't need to hire an employee as well. So but we need to hire at the for building the models, but it reduces the work as well, and it improves the accuracy. So thank you so much for your time, for watching the video, and thank you. Bye bye.